that when you join Avenues to Wealth, when you join our business, you don't need to look for money to come and be doing buying and selling. No, they're not calling you to come and do buying and selling. Use the product that you have bought for yourself. Then if you want to do buying and selling, do the buying and selling from the money you are going to generate from the network by building people, by supporting people, by showing people how they can become successful in life. Now, because you have shown people the money that the company should have spent on advertising this business, all the print media, all the television, all the traditional way of doing this business, now that money is being paid to you. Now that money that you earn, because you are showing love to people, because you are helping people, the money you have earned from that network, you can now use it to be doing buying and selling. Does it make sense? Does it make a lot of sense? So I'm telling you that this business, you are not joining it, and that's what he has said. They are not joining the business to say now, hey, what are the products available? Okay, let me now start buying and selling. No. The buying and selling is the last thing that you should do. Okay? Share this opportunity, empower people with this opportunity. Then he said, don't be discouraged. Okay? If you and I passed this place yesterday, and we saw that this place is so bushy, serious one. And all of a sudden today, we just passed and we saw this building. I'm sure we'll all run away, Abi. Hello? Because it's impossible, Abi. Now, what is that saying? Now, you don't expect to see that kind of building. Because you passed it yesterday, everywhere is bushy. Today, building, classroom, fan, everything. This one not a miracle. So, evil spirits. Because you don't expect it to happen. You expect to see the foundation. And that's what he said. You expect people to come and clear the place. You expect to see people using shovel, using digger, and doing a lot of work here. Abi, laying a solid foundation. The same thing in this business. You need to lay a solid foundation. Don't be intimidated. Don't be afraid. But with the people you see that they are making it, they are growing. No, they started somewhere. You also build it. I appreciate your $20 today. I appreciate your $25, your $50. I appreciate it. And the team will grow. And as it's growing and it's growing and growing, you will get there one day. And you now see the building. Wow, you would have built an organization. Okay? As one of our leaders, and we all know it, that most of our leaders that we see today, especially in the church, Pastor Adeboye of Redeem. I remember then in 1998 that we had Lekki 98. How many of us remember? Over 1 million people went to that place. Are we? Then the church does not have what we call open heaven. Are we? It was in 2000 or 2001 that open heaven was introduced. Hello? Meaning that the man did what? He built his organization first. In fact, by the time open heaven came out, it was not even enough. And you can continue to mention. Say, build organization. Build goodwill. Let people know that you love them. Show love to as many people. By the time you show love to many people, that's why I tell people that, look, some of us are so talented, but we want to monetize our talent from day one. Now, you don't need to monetize your talent from day one. One of the things you need to do is to make this talent available for free and volunteer. Maybe you are very good at teaching maths. Teach the maths for free for as many students, as many pupils. Then later, come out with a product on ABC of mathematics. Hello? Because you have been teaching these children for free, you have been empowering them for free. Now, when you think that, when those students say, Uncle has produced a book, it's 200 naira. Mommy will say, that's uncle that has been teaching for free and you have increased. I can see that you have really improved your mathematics. Go and give him this 500 naira. Am I correct? Because of what? They have been able. So the same way, Avenues to Wealth said, build your business first.